I have lemon and a piece of paper. With the help of this lemon, I write some message on it, and then we will see this message. We can see this message, hidden message, with the help of two things. Either with the help of burning candle, so you just place a burning candle below it, and if you just do with that, you can have your hidden message visible. But the second method is you can put a cloth on it and just apply iron over it. It will take some time, but of course your message will be visible to you. Okay, so let's do it. So I have my secret message over here, and look what will happen if I apply some heat, if I give some heat to it. Let's read out the message that I have written with the help of my lemon juice. So I just apply a cloth over here and just do the ironing of it. Just iron the cloth. You can do this with the help of burning candle also. So if you do it with the burning candle, the result will come out within 5 to 6 seconds. But if you apply this iron, it will also give you heat, but it will take some time. So you can give heat in any form. So I'm just ironing on my hidden message, and see, look what will happen to it. It's now been 5 minutes now to do the same thing, and let's just have a quiet look. Wow. So you can see, if you apply more heat to this name, these letters, more part of it get brown, because as the reason is this part is more brown while other part is white, because the reason is as you apply heat over it, it get more and more oxidized. Carbon get releases and combine with, since heat contains O2 gas, so carbon combine with oxygen, that is oxidation of carbon happens over here. So you will get more and more brown part, and as you apply more and more heat, more and more carbon releases out. And since carbon is carbon initially, when you don't apply heat, it is colorless, and when you apply heat, it shows some oxidation reaction which turns these hidden letters visible to you, that is brown or black in color. Hi students, I have put a different message on it with the help of the lemon. I just dip my finger on the lemon and just apply this. Let's see what this message reveals to you. So slightly it's visible to you, I think. So my message is for you. Be careful not to be too close of the candle, otherwise it will burn your hand as well as paper. We just have to give a slight heat to this so that carbon releases out and get oxidized, and that oxidation and how it is oxidized, so we can see the brown color of this letter shows, because carbon is generally brown or black in color, so it is a proof that carbon is getting oxidized. So again, example of oxidation. I have uploaded various videos on oxidation, oxidizing agents, so you can go and check it on the link. So hope you saw my message, that is A, which is secret message revealed by this candle. Good morning, students. So in 2 or 3 parts, I'll just upload a various experiment that I have done in my house, though it's very simple and maybe you have all observed it, but I will try to give a very nice explanation of each experiment. So kindly note, first I'll upload experiment and then explanation of it. So if you know the explanation, just skip it. Okay, so my first experiment is experiment 1 is secret message. Okay, secret message through lemon. What is this? As you saw in the video, in this experiment you can reveal your secret message through 2 techniques. One is with the help of iron, and second one is using candle. Okay, so any of the method you can use and you can have your secret message. So what was that? It is, as you know, lemon juice dries on paper when lemon juice dries on paper, it is invisible to you. Okay, as it dries, it is invisible. Now what happens? Lemon juice contain 5 to 7% of citric acid, 2 to 3% of sugar and vitamins. Then why message turns suddenly brown on getting heated with candle or giving some heat to it? The reason is carbon compounds in lemon juice is colorless. When lemon juice is heated, carbon compound breaks down. This produces carbon which is black or brown in color. This compound reacts with air which causes oxidation. So I think it's quite very fast, so I will give you simple very nice explanation. Listen, when you wrote your message using lemon juice, lemon contains carbon compounds. Okay, these carbon compounds absorbed in the paper. Okay, and since lemon is acidic, lemon is weak acid, so it just softens the paper, and absorb. Okay, fine. The added heat, that you are giving in the either from candle. If you heat your paper with candle, it will give your result in just 5 to 10 seconds. But if you are using your iron, it will take some time. If you heat with candle or with iron, what happens? When you heat your paper which has lemon in it, when you heat with the candle or iron, chemical reaction occurs, and this chemical reaction breaks down this bond, bond, and releases carbon. Correct? These loose carbon, since carbon loose from this compound now, this loose carbon on contact with air get oxidized. This carbon comes in contact with air, and air has oxygen in it, right? That is O2. When carbon combines with oxygen to give CO2. carbon plus oxygen gives you CO2. And you know, as I have uploaded my videos on it, this carbon this carbon attached with oxygen, it means oxidation occurs, correct? So it burned or oxidized, right? One effect of oxidation is things how you know that this is oxidation. So this effect, the effect of it is, what is the effect? How do you know that carbon is oxidized? The effect is the paper turns either brown or black. Okay. Some oxygen, as now I have uploaded one more video on apple oxidation. Remember that apple oxidation, when you put your apple or banana in, when you put your left out banana or apple on the plate, what happens after some time? It turns to brown. What we think that because of oxidation occurs. So effect of oxidation, how can we see effect of oxidation? The things turn brown or black. Sometimes some things these required a lot of heat. So after heating, carbon releases and combine with oxygen. And some doesn't need heat, like banana or apple. It just directly come in contact with air and turns brown. So this is the explanation of my first experiment. Hope you like it. Okay, so as you saw my experiment 2. When I direct on burning candle I directly put some drops of lemon juice directly. So some of you may think why I have uploaded on the YouTube. The reason is I have to tell you very interesting fact about it. When you directly put some drops of lemon juice on the burning candle, the candle stops. Burning candle suddenly stops. What happens? Lemon juice contain most of water in it. There's so much water in it, so that's why it stops it stops our candle to blow. Okay. The pores on these lemons, you can see on this camera. You can see the oil is secret oil inside this lemon rind. And this is what I'm talking about in my experiment. These small pores in this lemon rind or orange rind give the hide secret oil in it, that is called limonene. So we will see what happens with limonene. And now experiment 3. Experiment 3. In this video you saw again the same burning candle. You saw burning candle, and this time rind of lemon. I just peel off the skin of the lemon, and then what you saw, when I just press that peel, that rind on the burning candle, what happens? This is my candle, and it just sparks up. This is my rind. This is my rind of lemon. You can do this with orange rind or orange skin also. Okay, when you just press it, when you press the rind, it releases some oil from it, and this sparks our candle. So what interesting thing, the juice just stops your burning candle, but rind sparks your burning candle. So what is the reason behind it? The reason is rind is made up of numerous teeny pockets. Rind or peel sorry, peel, or you can say skin of lemon, or orange, okay, anything, contains numerous small teeny pocket, okay, the each pocket contains oil, which contains oil in it. Over 90% of that oil contains limonene. These 90% of it, these 90% of this oil, 90% of oil contains limonene in it, which is flammable hydrocarbon. What is this limonene? Is a flammable hydrocarbon. Flammable hydrocarbon. And if you put a flame near it, you can create a large spark. This oil in skin protect fruit from friends or students, sorry, these can create large spark, and because of this oil on the skin of your fruit, protect most of the pests to eat, or protect your lemon, or protect your fruits from various insects. So thank you, hope you liked the experiments. Very soon I'm going to upload more videos, and so enjoy, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.